What we working on today, Shorty?
We're working on a 69 Camaro with a 427 in it. It's
Okay.
got a Supercharger on it.
What are we about to do to it?
Right now I'm about to mount this reservoir for the intercooler for the heat exchanger.
Okay.
And after that, we're gonna probably try to put a little nitrous on this thing.
Okay. How much you think we getting on it?
It probably make about 1,200 horsepower.
1,200?
1,200.
That's with the nitrous?
No, not without the nitrous. That's without the nitrous.
How much with the nitrous?
We're probably gonna put at least 500 to it, so it should make about 1,700 horsepower.
1,700 fucking
1,700 horsepower on the street.
That's crazy.
I know it's gonna be crazy sick.
Man.
Oh, shit, you got me on that one, partner.
Oh, man.